Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about TikTok ads. And in this video, I'll show you on how to set a custom ads budget on your TikTok ads manager. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Go ahead and proceed to your profile. Go ahead and visit your TikTok ad manager. And for that, click on this three slider from the top corner. Proceed to TikTok Studio. Scroll down right here. Proceed to Promote. So next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. You have set budget and duration right here. And for you to customize your estimate ad budget, go ahead and click on here. So you can decide that from here, you can click on budget right here. You can decide to make it like 5,000 per day. So cancel the one there. You can decide to make it 3,000 naira per day. Okay, so hit on confirm. Now, once you choose 3,000 naira per day, you'll be given the estimate plus the VAT. Now you can decide to run it for a certain days. Go ahead and drag this toggle button right here based on the day you want. Let's say, for instance, I want it to be run for 5 days. So 5 days, just like so. Then you have your ad budget to be 16,125 naira. So once you set your custom budget, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on pay right here. Then here you go. So if you have not linked your bank card before, make sure you have your bank card right here, whether Visa card or MasterCard. If you don't know how to add your MasterCard or Visa card, check the video out on my channel so you can watch the video and see how you can add your Visa card or MasterCard. So in this tutorial, I'm using Visa card. So once you get here, go ahead and click on confirm and enter your payment password to complete the payment. Once the payment is successful, it simply means that your ad will be run for 5 days at a price of 16,125 naira. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about TikTok ads, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.